Are you tired of feeling stuck in unfulfilling relationships? Do doubts and insecurities plague your mind, hindering the love and connection you crave? If so, then this video holds the key to unlocking the secrets of Neville Goddard's techniques for improving relationships. Relationships are an essential part of our lives, yet many of us struggle to find true fulfillment and lasting connection. But what if we told you that there are powerful techniques, inspired by the wisdom of Neville Goddard, that have the potential to transform your relationships, changing them from stagnant to soul-stirring? In this video, we will delve into the profound teachings of Neville Goddard and show you how to achieve fulfilling relationships through awareness and discernment. By developing a deep understanding of your own desires and the needs of others, you can pave the way for profound shifts in your relationships. We'll guide you through the process of awakening your consciousness and discerning the patterns and behaviors that either nurture or hinder connection. But that's not all. We will also reveal how the power of imagination can help you release doubts and fears that hold you back from experiencing love in its purest form. Through the conscious use of your imagination, you can reshape your beliefs, dissolve limiting thoughts, and create a spaciousness within yourself to attract and receive the love and intimacy you truly deserve. And finally, we will explain how embracing spiritual consciousness can pave the way for creating ideal relationships. By aligning your energy with higher states of love, compassion, and connection, you can attract a partner who matches your vibration and share a deep and meaningful bond. So, if you're ready to break free from the shackles of unsatisfying relationships, to release doubts and insecurities, and to open your heart to the love you desire, then get ready to embark on a journey of transformation with us. But wait! Before we dive in, we kindly ask you to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our empowering and life-changing content. All right, let's begin. Relationships. They're a beautiful tapestry woven by the power of awareness that resides within each individual. You see, the way we perceive ourselves directly influences the form and structure of our relationships in life. Sarah, a woman with a strong sense of self-worth and confidence. She knows her own value and understands that she has the power to create and nurture healthy connections. Aware of her own needs and desires, Sarah attracts relationships that align with her sense of self. On the other hand, there's Mark. Mark struggles with low self-esteem and a negative self-concept. Unfortunately, this affects his relationships, as he tends to attract partners who reinforce his limiting beliefs about himself. Instead of seeking answers from external sources, it's important to cultivate a deeper connection with oneself by going within to access internal knowledge and understanding. This allows us to explore our own emotions, desires, and experiences, leading to a deeper connection not only with ourselves but also with others. It's through this inner journey that we discover the truest forms of love and security. However, we must be wary when it comes to identifying with certain beliefs that can cloud judgment or lead astray from true meanings. Discernment between real-world appearances and inner feelings helps us better understand our relationships in life. Matthew 10:16 advises being shrewd like serpents, yet innocent like doves when handling relationship dynamics. Balancing our discernment with a sense of innocence and purity, we can approach relationships with wisdom and compassion. Ultimately, discerning what you feel is real about your ideal relationships will bring forth the truest forms of connection. By trusting our hearts, embracing self-awareness and discernment, we unlock the path to the fulfilling connections we yearn for. Friends, have you ever noticed how shadows of doubt can cloud our minds when we imagine something in the world of appearances and then start to identify with it? Let me paint a picture for you. Meet Lisa, a young woman with big dreams. She envisions herself excelling in her career, surrounded by loving relationships. However, as she starts to visualize her goals, doubts creep in, casting shadows of uncertainty. She starts questioning her capabilities and whether she's deserving of the success and happiness she desires. But here's the key, my friends. The real magic lies in remaining in the ideal state of consciousness. When we stay connected to this state, we open ourselves up to experiencing all the wonderful relationships life has to offer. Let's imagine Lisa learning to shift her focus from doubts to a sense of unwavering belief in the possibilities that lie ahead. As she embraces this ideal state of consciousness, the shadows of doubt gradually dissipate, making way for a renewed confidence in herself and her dreams. Now, let's talk about the power of imagination. It acts as a magnificent tool that can mediate our connection with the divine. When we tap into our imagination, we release identification from unnecessary beliefs of separation, allowing us to align with the higher wisdom and guidance of the universe. Returning to Lisa's journey, she realizes that her imagination can bridge the gap between her desires and the manifestation of fulfilling relationships. By using her imagination to visualize love, connection, and harmony, she opens a channel for divine intervention, attracting relationships that are aligned with her deepest desires. Remember, my friends, relationships reflect what we feel as real within our minds. It's crucial for us to be aware of who we truly are as individuals. By examining our beliefs and perceptions, we gain clarity on our inner landscape, allowing us to cultivate authentic connections based on love, respect, and shared values. In Lisa's journey, she discovers the power of self-awareness and embraces her true essence. As she aligns her mind, heart, and soul with her authentic self, her relationships transform, becoming a reflection of the love and truth she embraces within. Relationships, they're more than just chance encounters or happenstance. They can be viewed as a profound spiritual journey, where every connection, every interaction holds a purpose and an opportunity for growth. And here's the thing, my friends. We are responsible for the relationships we create with others. Now, let's explore the concept of trust. Trusting that everything happens by the unseen power within us is a cornerstone of creating fulfilling relationships. We must believe that there is a greater force at work, guiding us through life's journey. Our responsibility lies in remaining in that ideal feeling state of consciousness. Picture Alex, embracing the trust that the unseen power within them orchestrates the perfect synchronicities, bringing the right people into their life at the right time. Alex's responsibility is not to force outcomes, but to maintain that ideal feeling, aligning their consciousness with the divine flow of love and connection. It's through this trust and detachment that Alex allows the unfolding of relationships that are meant to be, releasing the need for control and instead surrendering to the wisdom and guidance of the universe. And there you have it, my friends, the key takeaway from today's discussion on relationships. Our only responsibility is to remain mindful of what we feel as real. By staying aligned with our authentic desires and beliefs, ideal connections and relationships will appear automatically as far as our senses perceive them to be true. If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, we invite you to show your support. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content filled with valuable insights and inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts, ideas, and experiences in the comment section below. Share with us your perspective on relationships and manifestation. Let's create a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are committed to growth and transformation. Before we part ways, we send you our heartfelt blessings for your manifestation journey. May your path be filled with abundance, love, and the realization of your deepest desires. Trust in the unseen power within you and embrace the journey with an open heart. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting. Keep exploring the depths of your desires and nurturing the connections that uplift your soul. God bless.